Sick.
How's it going, man?
What's up? You got little classic air fresheners.
Yeah. Tree
Oh,
frog,
yeah.
man. All imported from Japan.
Oh yeah, so these are like the real deal, huh?
Yep.
Dope, man. Dope. I just made the trip from Flint.
Nice, man.
Yeah, so hell yeah.
Yeah, I brought a Nissan to a Toyota meet.
Oh, that's your ride?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope, man. Hell yeah.
There you go.
That's what's up, dude. Here, check out my channel right there.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, man.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
I had the
10,
cobalt.
12 years ago. So
He just calls it bait a few people in every now and then. What's going on?
All right, so here's some Nissans at Toyota show. It's dope. But we're gonna check them out. So, all right, guys, we're at Mack Avenue at the Adam Toyota gathering, and I just pulled up. So we're just gonna walk around. I forgot all of my equipment, so I'm literally just walking around with the phone. But hopefully I don't have my finger on the microphone. Sick. You got authentic right there. That's authentic. Now I sound we got the yellow carbon fiber, yellow stitch carbon fiber. That's where people put money in. So if all the things I've heard about this show is straight quality versus quantity. And that's the reason why I didn't want to bring the Hachi out, because I was just like, it's not ready yet. The brakes are horrible. You know, I got the parts in, so I'm actually going to be working on it right after this. And I was working out last night, but I wasn't feeling good. I was having stomach problems, dude. Alright, so it's Tim's car. Check this out. Oh, hell yeah. That bumper doesn't look too bad. That's the bumper I got sitting in my garage, but the only thing I don't like is it's no side skirts yet, so I'm trying to find some side skirts. This car is sick though. Oh, this is awesome. So I'm gonna try to do this unedited as possible, but I'll probably end up editing because that's how it goes. I support this, obviously, as an Ellis Swap FC dude. Alright, so I'm a little confused to where to go. I see Tito over here though. He brought the whole squad. Yo, what's up? I got here late. I didn't even bring the ride, bro.
Are you in the Corolla?
No, I'm in the HHR. But I'm about to do this on it here too. Hell yeah. How you doing, man?
Good. Chilling.
Dude.
There it is.
Yes. See, you got side skirts.
Yeah.
That's what I need. Oh, I'm in the sun. I got enough but glare. There we go. Let's get that. that shine on right there. This is your silver car? Wow, it made some changes real quick. It made some changes real quick. What kind of wheels are these? Bobarts? Dude, yeah. They're sick. Oh, that is crazy, man. So they're running 15, a 185, 55, 15. Check those tire specs, fellas. That's how you stretch them on there. There we go. There's some ball parts right there for you guys, just in case you're wondering what those were. Some dishy bling. All right, I'm about to get this content taken care of, and I'll be back hanging out in a minute. The camper van heaven right here. My man brought out both his rides. All right, I've seen this thing only a few times. I need to get with the owner. If you watch this video, message me. I love this little ride. What's up? Jeez, your hair got so long. What's up, guys? It's Ryan. His hair is really long. He looks really happy. I'm just hanging out, checking out rides.
I gotta be happy I drove my car.
Oh, you did?
Red car.
Oh, dude, yes.
Little red car.
Oh, that's cool.
Here, you gotta see this one next to it.
What's that? All right, hold on. Oh, dude, I love this car. I saw this at Ian Meets. Love these cars too.
Yeah, I'm jealous I missed out on that turbo vibe. Remember that red one that had been up to your shop a couple times?
Yeah, he put it up for sale.
Yeah, he put it up for sale for like dirt cheap. I knew the turbo or something was wrong with it.
Oh, you could have
And I
fixed it.
missed out on it, unfortunately. I would have wanted to buy that.
Oh, dude, look at the gleam on
That's
that.
what I'm saying. I mean, everything's like that in this
Wow,
car.
there's so many nice
Like-
cars here.
Like everything is powder coated and like super clean. shades,
Wow,
super
guys, I'm just gonna go in here. Hold on, it's hard with the sun, guys, but we're going in here. I'm sorry, owner, if you're like, man, I really wish this dude didn't get.
He's probably used
I
to it
think-
by now. Even
I think it's the reason why. I think this is the reason why he did all that, so I can be like, look at that. Look at the headlights. Even though headlights are just.
Yeah, this whole car is like spotless.
That lip's so hard to find too. This is sick. Oh my gosh. Guys, I want to see inside here. I'm not just in this dude's store. I gotta ask permission. Oh. This is sick. Hell yeah. Give me the tour, man. I just got here. So I just did this aisle. I just did this aisle. So
Cool stuff in there. Now?
let's go over there.
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right.
This is Derek and Son, his old car over there.
Really?
Yeah, the black SC.
Oh, yup. There's a classic. Ooh, these are beautiful. Old Celica. I feel horrified to like own my Hachiroku the way it sits now. But I guess it's been in restore mode, so
Yeah, I mean,
it went from a pile of parts sitting in a garage,
that's how
so
it goes. At least it's not still a pile of parts, you know.
yeah. I saved it.
Turbo OS now. I don't know.
Gave it a new life. What? Shut up. This is Derek's old car?
Yeah.
Oh, Chico, man, look at your ride, bro. Look at it's a I don't know what it is. A race car? Drift car now?
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery.
Oh, look at this. Fast and Furious boys would be creaming right now. What's up, man? I've never seen this car before. I've seen this car a lot at events. That guy.
The black one.
Yeah, that guy's been around for years.
I wonder if this is a real like Go Max whatever that is.
You know what? I'm thinking it is.
It's like old timey mods, you know.
Old
When they-
school. Well, you know, like 90s and this 90s aftermarket parts are now like, oh, you got
Yeah.
you got Zeta taillights? Oh my gosh. I used to like, oh, that's cool, dude, I guess, you know, because Used
Yeah,
to be
for a
like
while
so
there, it was
racy.
frowned upon.
Right now it's, I think it just gives you like a feeling of nostalgia from the past. So like I'm like all about LED lights now. So I just know I'll put LED lights in my car. I don't care. The underglows, that Need for Speed. Man, this is clean too. Oh wow, look at the interior.
Guilty. I've got 2. Everybody's got the lights now.
Yup.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Nice, dude. This
Is it as clean as
is.
this one? Cleaner. Wow.
It's got the side skirts, rear kit. This is very old school. Wow. You got the Super Celica wheels in like good shape. Mine are so nasty.
I've had this since it was new, and it was actually set for 8 years. It needed a new tranny, and I just
So you just took care of it and like, and you just and you got it back out there. That's awesome.
It's set from 94 to 2000.
Wow.
It's in front of my house in Greenfield, Indiana, and then I moved up to Elkhart, and I met a guy that was a mechanic, and he fixed it.
Hell yeah.
I rebuilt the tranny. I took a kit on the internet and took it all apart and put all the parts in.
I mean, I have a 886 GTS Corolla, right? And basically, it was in one of my friend's garages. It was pretty much shot, you know, and he had dreams of restoring it, and I picked it up. And then my buddy Jeremy like came in real clutch. He's like, "I'll help you get going, dude."
Oh, dude, Jeremy
Yeah.
is the man.
He was really excited about that project. That's on a YouTube
Helped me
channel.
so
Yeah, I
much
got
with
you.
my car, dude.
Check out our YouTube channel, man.
I got extra parts or whatever, you know.
Oh, awesome. Yes, Parts Friends. I'm so excited now.
Because I bought 3 different Supras in the 80s and just gutted them for parts, and then my
Oh, you can't see this.
motocross guy with his kids, so he stacked them on top of each other, the shells and the bodies, and then built a motorcycle, or you know what I mean, a big deal. A jump. So my Supras
Sparkles,
are buried.
man. This is crazy. I don't even think I can get this on video good enough for you guys to. Oh, look at that. Woo! This is crazy. It's so much fun seeing these 80s interiors and what people do with them. That is a giant Delta West shifter. It's even got the hydro, so this thing probably parties. Sick. So you know Need for Speed, like the one game where you had to like bling your car out to like maximize the points. There you go. Nice. This is super nice. These are starting to get really popular now too. Let's see the different setups in here. Look at this. Coil packing out. I just love looking at different setups. Yeah, close to OEM. Coil packed out over here, just G'd up. So this is clean.
I bought a whole bumper just like, I just can't find the lips anymore. Yeah.
You doing, man?
This one was split. It was cracked right here and right here, and then I put some wire mesh in there. Oh, thank you.
All right. Oh, sick, dude. What is up with this? This is sweet.
Yeah, you've seen this one before, haven't you?
Yeah. I like seeing these cars that have been staying, you know? Sick pipes. Oh, nice. Swapped, bro. Whoop whoop. Some more Supra porn for you guys. I just lost Ryan, but he's got his car here and he's been working on getting it back out. And I'm gonna tell you, you can tell he's excited. This paint. Hell yeah, sick, man. Miata posse.
And then I like 97 skirts and stuff.
Nice.
But, other than that, I redid all the suspension.
Yup, that's it. You get like bushings and all this.
So here's Ryan's ride.
And I took it all apart, and I grabbing the ball joints.
Right.
It felt fine when I
He's
was
had this car for probably 8 years.
Oh, I bet. This body's the this thing was mid.
Somebody smashed my door.
He's done a little bit of
I
everything.
fucking kill him.
Oh, dude, I was so pissed. I was pissed. And then, other than that, somebody tried to steal it once.
Somebody tried stealing your ride?
Out of the Hooters parking lot on Miller Road.
Oh my
So they pried
What if it was a Hooter?
They pried my door.
No, man, I'm telling you, like that parking lot, the most ratchet stuff happens in that parking lot. I
They couldn't
swear.
get this open.
Yep.
So they
And it's
like,
right off of a main street. Like, go figure.
Someone knew what
Yeah.
you wanted.
Yeah,
They knew in your car.
Walking around with it, and then somebody came out and saw me. I walk out.
All right, guys.
It was hard to find. Right?
These are gonna get popular soon, guys. You can still get them pretty cheap, but the parts, compatibility with the motors, and the fact that I driven a few of them. They drive really nice. Hell yeah. Hey. All right, guys, here's your Toyota TRD overlanding dream ride right here. How you doing?
Great. My rig.
Is this your rig? Nice. Want to tell me a little bit about it?
Sure. It's a 2011 Trail Edition. It's an
Okay.
OG Trail. It's actually a Canadian build, so it's a little heavier duty specs. So that's
Nice.
it. I built this truck pretty much from the ground up.
Really? That's what I was getting at. I was getting at because I seen you got. I mean, especially this. I was like, yeah, I was like, they're really stepping their game up. If you can. Nice. This is awesome, man. You got snorkel systems, Safari Air Max systems. Yep.
So it's the original Trail that has like waterproof seats. There's the 10 JBLs on there now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like this touch too.
That's a Victory 4x4.
Brush guard stuff in the guard for the
It's a
windows.
Moy panel, or
Accessories, right?
yeah, I've got a Rotopax that goes on here, and I've got an ARB awning also that goes on here, the 10x10 with the screen room.
Yeah.
So then I put this inside, and it's a shelf you can.
Wow, that's sweet. That's wild. Solar
Got the
panel
cargo
set up.
floor, that Rago Moly panels in there. Most of my recovery gear is still on the box because I just got my trailer back last night, so everything is disassembled.
This is really cool.
2019 Smitty built trailer. It's got independent suspension over there. This trailer will go anywhere that my rig will go.
Oh wow. The suspension on that's crazy. That's awesome, man. Thanks for sharing.
Yeti Gold Zero 1500 solar.
Yeah, the solar panel setup.
Yeah.
You can camp right here, guys.
Should run my Dometic refrigerator for 6 days out in the wilderness. And then I'm.
So what kind of trips have you taken us? Have you taken out west, down south, up the UP?
Yeah, I've done the UP. And
Yeah.
I did Colorado and Utah last year.
Nice.
Part of Yellowstone.
Yeah.
Going out to Glacier, Badlands, and probably back to Utah.
What's one of your favorite places? Mine's Yellowstone in Montana, the mountains.
I'm just like running service roads, I like that.
Yeah.
If I'm like
Going all out.
yeah, I mean, San Juan Mountains are the best.
San Juan Mountains,
Yeah.
huh?
It's like Telluride, Durango.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It's very magical there.
Awesome.
Yeah. So,
That's it, guys. That's where we gotta go. All right, we're on to our next adventure. Man, we got all types of music going on. There's a fair festival going on over there. So, in my drift, guys. Yeah. Nice, dude. Note all the motor swaps, bro. And all the glitter. Kesha will be so proud. Kesha will be so stoked.
I was walking through and I was like, oh, shit. Boy, that's my sister. I'm not pointing at it.
What's up, man? Oh, shit. It's dope. That's dope. This will be next after the HHR. That's what we're replacing the HHR with, guys. Oh, look, we're going into Lexus Dome. Huh. Oh, bro. Jackie Ding's car. Cosworth intake manifold. There's some build action on here. Oh, look at this, more Supras. All of them. Check out the carbon fiber network. driven a lot. Awesome.
All right, hi guys. Just want to let everyone know in about 5 minutes before we start with the raffle. So I'm hoping everyone is having fun. So thank you for coming out. 5 minutes before we start with the raffle.
Big Celica all-track fan. Like, I would trade my RX-7 in a heartbeat for one of these. I would call it quits on that car. Love it. Got the JDM front end. This actually is a JDM version. Hood. It's nice. Here we go. Little right-hand drive action. Sick. GT4. Got some OZ rim action, totally sick. All right, here's some USDM land. Check that out. It's a fun little car. All-wheel drive. I think they made around 109 or 190 horsepower, 200 around there. Just the look was always cool because it always had these nice, authentic-looking hoods. They're air-cooled from the top. The air-cooler. Nice to see some of those there. And you can see how rare there is, only 2 of those. Alright, so I'm going to over here. I'm not gonna let this guy hang, he's just chilling in the back. Very popular swap or supercharger swap in here right here. Seen a few cars, see if this is 5-speed swapped. Shelly drives it all the time, it's sick. All gangstered out. Oh, it's auto. That should be your next thing, dude. Yo, we're getting our exercise out up here. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing the car thing for a while, so when I go out and people go, oh, I remember you back from the drifting days, it's like, that's awesome. It makes me feel like, I was like, yeah, I did something. All right, man, well, I'll talk to you. I'm gonna go wander around, check this van out. All right, later. All right, guys, that was cool, man. Met a dude from Ohio drifting days. We used to do the same events and stuff. Camera sniper. This ride is sick. This is so cool. So low. The wheels are so cool.
I don't know. Where's the tickets?
Interior.
Oh, they're doing this.
Totally tricked out. I think it's, yep. You don't see this stuff every day. Hi. So we got a bunch of Lexus. What's up? What's that? It's a little pillow. Your pillow arm. You got pillow arm. So this car is about the size for that kid that just ran by. This must be your car. How little this is. Right hand drive. Another all track.
Especially since my dad drove it. It's his regular driver.
It's nice. Sick. It's like everyone's getting ready to go. It's a super awesome event.
That's gonna be my next. I mean, I might. Well, my sister wants to watch for her car.
Okay.
I'm gonna order like some. I might get some long champs or something.
Yeah, they need
Yeah, what's up?
Oh my god, I didn't recognize you.
I know, I'm Harry. I got that stoner look going on, bro.
And we're gonna get it
Yes.
tatted here,
Okay.
and then
Great.
I want.
Yo, I did that tattoo.
Man, too.
I want to do the van.
good.
So much better than
all my clothes that I'm on.
That's right, that's what's up.
Reliable arm right there.
Reliable arm. That's reliable. All reliable right there. Flax it. Flax it, yo.
Shoot at me, boys! Shoot it! Just kick it off.
That's what you need? Yo, I'm getting the roast right now. I'm sorry guys, I didn't bring my hachi. You guys roast
don't
it.
worry, they're roasting me for not bringing mine.
That's sick. This is future goals for all of us one day.
Nah, that's future goals for me. I want
Yeah.
60 valve.
Right. I think that's what's really cool about it. It's unassuming. Yeah, unassuming for sure. That's the engine. Wow.
So clean. It's crazy. Look at that, everyone. It's so clean. As a hachi owner, just so many things I can appreciate when I see stuff. Like, look, man, it's not dented in. Look at that. Look how straight those are. Hey, you guys cut it out, but still work.
Get your 20 pound front end, man.
It just doesn't feel right compared to the 20 valve. I don't know. It just doesn't feel like it belongs there.
I know somebody who's looking for me. He's got his camera maxed out.
Heck yeah. We're running it. Need a set of those.
Yeah, he had Mark ones in the back, but I told him, yo, it's gonna look better with the long champs in the back. Yeah. So it's an Arrow rear bumper.
Yeah.
They both look like genuine rear bumpers. Yeah.
Wait, this is a cut stock bumper?
No, so it's a Vertex replica.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's- the bottom's
The
cut.
cut 'em. That's nice. Okay, yeah, because I was like,
Makes it look like a
Yeah.
JDM bumper.
that's smart. That's what I was thinking, because I got
I
the
like that. Why am I talking about it?
I got Vertex front end I was wanting to put on, but I want to do the side skirts, but I didn't want to do the valence in the back. But okay, I feel that. That's what's
Some
up.
ideas there, huh?
Got ideas, motivation.
Black lines, but with white tape.
Make the white line.
Yo, I got some motivation to get this car done now. So this is my inspiration right here in Hachiland to get my car done before I get. Look at that. See, these guys are getting here. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Thank you for having us, and we'll see you next year. Thank you, brother. All right, man. Take care.
All right, what's up, man? So this was an awesome show, and I mean, just explain what you got going on, what you got planned with everything.
So we just finished up our sixth annual Adam Show, all Toyotas in the Midwest. So we've been at the Velodrome the last few years, so we'll continue to be here. It's an indoor-outdoor setup, so we have some special display usually coming from courtesy of Toyota. So this year we had a motorsports theme, so we got a few retired race cars like the T100 Baja trophy truck that was the Ironman Stewart's, the 2015 NASCAR champion, the number 18 M&M's car driven by Kyle Busch. So all kinds of different things here. So we try to switch it up every year. You know, last year was a vintage theme, so we had a bunch of 088 6s and
Nice.
you know, 80s 90s themes. So we'll see what we can whip up for next year, but it's going to be cool. I want to switch it up. The show is really about to try to get everybody involved. I don't want always the same, like the fancy show cars. Not that we don't like the fancy show cars, but we want to make sure that the guys that are driving the dailies, the guy that unfinished projects guys, you know, they don't feel left out. So it's a really, you know, really grassroots type event. So
Yeah, it's got a grassroots feel, and the fact that Toyota backs it is really sick. Like, I mean, I'm happy to come to this show. It's Ray, by the way. Basically, going out and above and beyond to bring something that's totally different, and you'll see this next year. If you watch this video, man, be here next year, guys. Information will be up, and we'll put it up in the video too.
Yeah, just keep an eye on the website, www.atomcarshow.com.
Like, yeah. All right, guys. Peace.